All right, guys. Well, the fenders are all set up. Hood, fenders, all that. Just got a quick install to do for you today. And actually, I already started. So, apologize for that. Put that one on last night. Looks pretty awesome. See it finally becoming whole again. I'm working on having some problems. The air wiper motor is totally in the way for getting the two fasteners on. I've got one almost all the way on. The other one I think is cross-threading. Anyway, we'll get that figured out, but it's tight. I mean, it's not going anywhere because I got these ones on and those are tight enough. So, I don't know. That can always be played with later if I need to, but that's what it looks like. So, gonna keep working on that. Let you watch that, or at least see the end product anyway. Got a couple things I picked up. Got me a couple really big rig 8.5 inch convex mirrors. You can see the one over there too, so a little better visibility. And we got some front mud flaps. That'll look sweet when they're on. 12 inch flaps. And we got a whole bunch of satin black paint. To be honest with you, that's not all for this project. Some of that's for, I always paint the frame rails on my truck every year and axles and stuff you can see. So some of that's for Nancy, but most of it's for my stake supports. I probably may not get to that. I'm hoping to get them, I don't know. That may not happen until after I'm back from vacation. But anyway, we got it so we can get those drilled and painted at some point. Just gonna rattle can those, little self-etching primer and then some rattle can paint. Too much hassle to set up the gun. That way with rattle cans I can lay them out on a, take some sawhorses and lay out some wood and do one side, primer, then paint, then flip them, do the other and be done. Whereas with a gun I could do that, but I'd have to mix it and clean it and all that twice, and I just don't feel like doing that. So rattle can's a lot easier. You can just do it outside in the yard and driveway, whatever, and be done. So I think that's that. Fenders are going together pretty well. There's some broken fasteners here and there. I did get all new, a whole bunch of, to match. Got some fine thread, whatever those are, 5/16 or whatever, with some hardware and stuff. So that way I'm not working with totally old fasteners. Also got all of my bolt hardware for the stake sides. So anyway, we'll keep on going and get this thing put together. Well, I can't get very close, but there she is. Got both fenders on. Hood. Mud flaps. Again, I'm kind of stuck here, but I think you get the gist. That thing looks awesome. Jeez, it's been a long time coming to be completely back together. Got the hood supports up. So you can see, I'm gonna double click. And we got the butterfly action. That's truck show mode right there. And then, actually, I'm being gentle because I don't have dampers on here yet, but the latching action actually works beautiful. Nice and tight. So there you have it. Loadstar's whole again. That's one big step towards having her ready to go. She is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This old truck probably never thought it would ever look like this again. Thanks for watching.